because this is a really good substitute if you guys don't want to use meat. So it would be best for you to just use what you already have and use it in moderation to help with lifestyle changes versus trying to spend all this extra money and not be able to keep up with it, because one is too expensive and then you think you're doing something, so you wind up using more than what you should, and it equates to more sugar. And this could be a meal for me for a few days if you want. Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am ChimereNicole. Welcome. So it is that time of year where we start to do our self-reflection, evaluation, new year, new me sort of thing. And I am going to be starting my 30-day get your life together sort of challenge. So I did a video a few months back, and it has in the last few weeks have kind of gotten a little bit popular, and I've had some follow-up questions on my Instagram as well as here on YouTube, and I wanted to do the challenge over again. So I want to start January 2023 with a bang, and today that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm actually in the process of going to the grocery store. I do want to cook dinner for my family. We just got finished celebrating the holidays, and it is time to clean up the house, clean up my diet, clean up my life, essentially, right? So I am going to be cleaning up my refrigerator today. So I'm here at the grocery store. I'm going to be picking up everything that I will need in order for me to start my next 30-day challenge. And the goal with this 30-day challenge is for us not only to, as I said, clean up our diets, but to just basically clean up our life. But today we're going to start with diets. So we're going to go to the grocery store. I'm going to show you everything that I'm going to need to prep for the next 30 days for this challenge. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. But we are going to start 2023 with a bang. So come into the grocery store with me as we get started. Luckily, the grocery store is not crowded today. So I want to get some salads. Must buy 3 for $3.99. These salads are cute. They're on sale for $4. But I would rather purchase a large thing of this for $5 and make my own salad. So let's see. We have a 50-50. Is that on sale? Yeah. Spring mix. Spinach, spring, baby lettuce, greens. Okay, I think I want this. Alright. Should probably I think I should probably get some mushrooms, because this is a really good substitute. If you guys don't want to use meat, you can substitute with mushrooms, and you can add a little bit of browning seasoning for this. But mushrooms are like a good filler that are low calorie. So I think I'm gonna grab that. Wait, so which one is those? These are white and these are Baby Bella. I don't know which ones I want now, you guys. Okay, so yeah, now I don't know which ones I want. If I want to do the white mushrooms or the Baby Bella. I think I'm gonna actually do, and I'm gonna stick, I don't know, decisions. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the, I'm gonna do the Baby Bella mushrooms. We'll call it a day. collard greens. I love collard greens, so we'll probably be doing this. This is the collard greens you buy when you don't want to cut them yourself. Hold on, y'all. $2.99. They got the big bags of collard greens in here now. Look at this. Wait, that's $4.50. These are $3. Hold on, let me see how much is in here. The key to grocery shopping is price comparing, but also looking at the amount that you get in the bag. So this is 2 pounds for $4.50. This is 1 pound for about $1 less. So it's actually better for me to buy 2 of these for the price of this, because 2 of those will wind up costing me $6, and this only cost me $5. Okay. That'll work. Perfect. All right, collard greens, parsley, cilantro. I actually want to start growing that. I got bell peppers in my fridge already, and the asparagus over here look better than the one that was in the front. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, I need onions. Definitely need onions. Let's do that. Yeah, you guys, they don't have any cucumbers. Well, I've seen the baby one or whatever. Alright, you guys, I'm looking for onions and cucumbers. Those are staples to make everything taste good. I hope you go with that.
Go to rsdme.com/GSK.
Good news, New Jersey. More residents are getting quality affordable coverage.
Don't fall. Okay. Wait, this is yellow? Yeah.
Get Covered New Jersey offers increased plan choices and more savings than ever. Open enrollment is here. If you need health insurance,
I know I just seen
emergency
some.
services and more. And many pay $10 a month or less.
These are the cucumbers that they have, you guys. They're 2 for $5. And I go through cucumbers like water, so I'm gonna grab those. Alright, cucumbers, I also need vinegar. I know I don't have vinegar at the house. Funny enough, I need sugar. The one thing we are supposed to stay away from, I need. This challenge is starting off correctly. But I actually do need that for my coffee. But I'll show you guys what my trick is for adding it to my coffee. Alright, you guys, so I grabbed some meat that was on sale, and now I'm looking for
no charge to you, though additional fees may apply. If COVID-19 comes home for the holidays, there's something you can do.
Condiments.
Ask your pharmacist today if an authorized...
The goal when shopping at the grocery store is making sure that you stay on the outer portion of the grocery store, because most of the junk is in the aisles. So if you kind of make like a U around the grocery store, you're pretty much safe. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, you guys, I'm in the aisle, but I do want to show you something. These are your saving grace. Sugar-free Jell-O. These are great for a midnight snack, or you're just kind of having a craving. This, along of course with vegetables. I'll show you how I do that, but I'm going to grab a few of these because these are amazing and they're on sale. Now I know that stevia and all of these are like really good substitutes if you want it for your coffee and stuff, but to be quite honest, I would rather just get regular sugar and do it in moderation versus trying to get all of these and spending $12 on sugar substitutes, when essentially your body is going to respond the same way to that it does regular sugar. So it would be best for you to just use what you already have and use it in moderation to help with lifestyle changes versus trying to spend all this extra money and not be able to keep up with it, because one is too expensive and then you think you're doing something, so you wind up using more than what you should and it equates to more sugar. Just my opinion. So alright, you guys, I think I have everything I need. I came in here for like vegetables and stuff and wound up getting a whole bunch of extra stuff, but I am cooking dinner today, so I needed it. And I will show you guys what I got when I get home. I also wanted to show you guys another thing that I use if I want something sweet on the go and I'm like craving, I'll grab these. So yes, these are not like the best thing, but trust me, when you are going through a weight loss challenge and you want something that's like, give me real snacks, these are amazing. One pouch is 80 calories. Sugar is it's total sugar is 11 grams, and from that the added sugar they put in here was about 9. Still not bad considering if you get like regular candy, which you'll be eating, and these are portioned out even better. So if you're trying to go cold turkey, cut these out. But if you are like me and if you don't get sugar, you're gonna like try to take somebody's head off, those are good as well. Alright, you guys, we're back home and I'm gonna show you what I got. So we got the big thing of spring mix, which lasts me for a week. Also vegetables for the week: collard greens and asparagus. We have our mushrooms, which is again a good filler for any meal. Add that in there with some rice. Mini cucumbers, 2 packs of these because I go through these like order and I eat these as a snack, and tons and tons of chicken. I have some chicken thighs without the bone in them, and I have chicken breast, 2 packs of that because we go through that a lot, and another thing of boneless, no, this is chicken thighs, but these have the bone in them. And for my collard greens, I actually eat collard greens like a meal because I put meat in them, and I use smoked turkey necks. So I'll show you guys that tonight because I'm going to be making that for dinner. Really easy meal: greens, meat. If you want to add rice to it, you can, but it's a really simple meal, and you can kind of make it in a really large pot, which I'm going to be doing tonight. And that is my weekly shopping haul. Alright, you guys, so I finished some of my meal prep. I want to show you what I have. This is this is the pot of collard greens. So we have smoked turkey. What do I have in here? I have that big bag of collard greens I showed you guys earlier. I cut up a really small onion, garlic powder, onion powder, some banana peppers, not a lot. I did put like 1 or 2 pieces of jalapeno peppers in here, and if you have any other recommendations you want, you can put that in there as well. Black pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cayenne pepper because I like my stuff spicy. And this could be a meal for me for a few days. If you want, you can add rice to this, but again, you see it has tons of meat in here, smoked turkey, so it is very, very filling. This is a really good way to detox before we start. So I'm going to be eating this for about 2 to 3 days, just to kind of get everything going. The greens are really good for your iron. I'm anemic, so this helps me a lot. And yeah, that's what we're going to be starting with. Okay, I want to, my hair. I want to taste this. It's really good. It's been cooking now for about 2 hours. The longer it cooks, the more tender the meat gets, and the more tender the vegetables get. Also too, if you want to use chicken broth or stock or beef broth, whatever you want to use, vegetable broth, you can use that as well instead of using water. But I did use about 2 cups of chicken broth and a little bit of water to season this. And then I had made some bacon for the girls earlier, so I took a teaspoon of that bacon fat and put it inside of here just to season it. It really doesn't do anything in terms of like that many calories, because it's literally like a few drops of oil, but it does help to season the meat if you want to avoid salt. So that's what I'm going to be eating, and yeah, we are going to get this challenge started. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and follow along on the challenge. Also follow me on Instagram at ChimereNicole, and I'll see you guys later.